Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Remove the bolt retaining your leaf spring with a 22mm socket and wrench. Our part features 2 perforated plates you can remove to fit over your center body mount and fuel tank support bracket. If you decide to keep your mounts, remove the plates at this time. If not, remove your center body mount and fuel tank support bracket. After removing your plates, cut off your leaf spring bracket. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a rolled-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Draw a line approximately 5/16 to a ½ inch above the bottom of the frame and cut along it. Slide your center frame section onto the frame and tap it into place using a hammer. Use the frame holes to help with the alignment. You can C-clamp your part into place to ensure a tight fit. Then, following proper welding procedures, tack weld your center frame section onto the frame before welding the part on fully. Step 4. If you removed your center body mount or fuel tank support bracket, we show you how to reinstall it with our installation videos on our YouTube channel. Reinstall your leaf spring with a 22mm socket and wrench. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!